Beer o'clock, lads.
Fuck yeah.
Don't get too fucking excited. That Stanton job's spread up today. I need one of you to work overtime.
Yeah, Grandma, I just finished now. Yeah, I'll pick up the beer. I mean, pills on the way home.
Sorry, mate. The missus just texted. I've got to pick up the beer. The pub from the kids.
Did you see that? The beer just jumped out of the esky into my hand, then into my mouth.
Looks like I'm over the H&S limit.
Oh, look at that. My boot's full of beer as well.
Go.
Left my heart in the summer sun, drank salmon and fuck, this still coming. No fucking appreciates me, this fucking joint.
It's alright, mate. Try this will sort you out.
Yeah, boy. You got another.
What are you crying about, mate? You want one? No, it's here.
Boy should have had that job done.
What the fuck?